Hi everyone, my name is John Mark Albaroro, and today I want to talk something very important, something we will say everyday fake news. Let's be honest, we all use Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and many other platforms. We scroll, we read, we react, but how often do we ask, is this even true? So, what is fake news? Fake news is any false or misleading information that is made to look real. Some people spread it just for fun. Others do it to earn money or to miss people for political reasons. And fake news spreads faster than the truth. Let me give you some examples of fake news. Number 1. Drinking soft drinks can cure COVID-19. Sounds ridiculous, right? But during the pandemic, many believe it and ignored real health advice. Number 2. A celebrity was reported dead in a car accident. The next day, the same person posted a video saying, "I'm alive." Fake news can destroy reputation in seconds. Number 3. A political caught stealing money in a viral photo. But guess what? The image was edited. It was fake. And yet, people were already angry and sharing it. Number 4. Congratulations! You won 10,000 pesos from Gcash. That's a scam, not a promo. Click the link and your personal info is gone. Fake news is everywhere. And it's not just annoying, it causes panic, spreads lies, and changes the way we think and act. It affects elections, health decisions, even relationship. But maybe you're wondering ano man gid ni, importante. Why should we care about fake news? Well, because we are the targets. Kita ang mga batanon, kita ang hilig og internet, kita ang kusog mo share, og post mo react, og comment, like og videos. That means we are the ones who can easily be fooled, or we can be the one who help others see the truth. Every like, every share, every comment, it matters kung kita mismo ma-aware, we will we become part of the solution. So the question is, how do we fight fake news? Here are some simple but powerful tips. Number 1, check the source. Is it from a trusted site like JMA, Rappler, or ABS-CBN? Number 2, don't fall for shocking headlines. Some are made just to get your attention. They're called clickbait. Number 3, look for other resources. If it's real news, other sites will also report it. Number 4, think before you share. Sharing fake news makes the problem worse, even if you didn't mean to. Number 5, use fact-checking websites. Sites like Vera Files or Rappler's fact-check page can help you confirm the truth. Now that we know what fake news is and how to stop it, let's be smarter, more responsible digital citizens. Before you click, think before you click, think before you react, think before you share. And remember this, being informed is being empowered. We don't need to be a journalist to make a difference. Every time we choose to verify instead of just believe, we protect ourselves and others. We live in a time where information moves fast, but so do lies. Let's not be part of the problem, let's be part of the solution. So the next time you say something online, stop and ask yourself, is this true? Is this helping people or just spreading fear? Because when we choose truth, over lies, we create a safer and wiser online community. Thank you so much for listening. Let's stay alert, stay smart, and fight fake news together. Daghang salamat og abing kanunay. Martin sir.